I definitely want to get honest with the viewers too about what are the chances of success.
Very, very minimum, right? If you think about the competition that's out there, you got a lot to prove. It's proving yourself every day, right? But I always use this analogy. If you walk into the grocery store and you go down the bread aisle, what do you see? Bread. So do you think the wheat bread is worried about the white bread, which is worried about the hot dog buns? No, the sourdough bread, the rye bread, it's competition all in the bread aisle. You have to put out the best product, the freshest product every day and allow people to make their choices on what they're going to spend their money on. And so if you're starting a business and you half-assing it or you not stepping up to the plate every day with a good product, they can go anywhere. They can go anywhere. People, that's what's beautiful about America. We got choices here. We ain't, this ain't North Korea. This ain't Syria. This ain't places where you can't, do what you want to do. You can do what you want to do here. So that's real.
And it goes to the next question with the success. How important is it to treat people properly within the business because how it affects word of mouth?
That is probably the most important thing, right? Customer service. One of those things that I always fall back on is customer service, but also setting your policies, right? Because you have to have policies that are clear, unambiguous, that make sure that that people know what the policies are, right? So if you have a policy like I got one, no refund policy. You can exchange. You can get an equal value for something. So let's say you sign up for a workshop. You want to take 5 classes. That's about $600. Could be a little bit more, a little bit less. But then you decide you don't want to take the classes because you're going to self-learn. Well, that $600 can go towards starting a business. But I'm not giving you that $600 back because that's my policy, no refunds. Mm-hmm. If you're trying to be successful, if you're trying to be consistent, you have to get up every day and work on that, right? Mm-hmm. Every day is a new day to make a better breakthrough. So that is the key. That is part of the growth process of knowing who you are is understanding the work that you have to put in. And then you kind of allow for that process to be organic and take place the right way. We can't control every aspect of a business, so you don't know when it's going to break through for you.
True.
You just have to keep going at it like every day is the day you're going to get the breakthrough.